I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by removing packaging and patting the bird dry. This improves grip and prevents slipping. Place the chicken breast side up on a non-slip board and locate the cavity and breastbone. Make a small incision along the skin near the neck to create a starting gap, then slide your fingers under the skin at the breast to loosen it gently. Once done, use the knife tip to widen the gap. This gives you room to separate skin from meat without tearing it. Now you focus on the middle work, freeing the skin and separating joints. Slide your fingers and the knife between skin and meat toward each wing and thigh, holding the skin taut so it peels without ripping. For legs, pull the thigh away and cut the skin to the joint, then pop the hip joint with pressure and cut through the socket. For wings, expose the joint and cut through cartilage. Use kitchen shears for stubborn cartilage and short knife strokes to protect the breast meat. Finish by removing all remaining skin. Pull it away from the body while cutting any attachment points with short, controlled strokes. Once skin is off, portion the bird into breast halves, thighs, drumsticks, and wings by cutting through joints or with a single straight breast cut. Trim excess fat and any small pin feathers. If the skin tears or sticks, stop, chill the bird for 15 to 20 minutes to firm it, or switch to kitchen shears to complete the job cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.